Man, the LVLF spray gun. Oh man, LVLF. New technology.
The TriggerMan, where we play no games, and we got good aim. Welcome to the channel, and thank you for watching. The TriggerMan.
All right, what TriggerMan? Back in the lab. And today, what we have here. Today, man, we're gonna be spraying this Honda, I think it's a Honda Pilot. Paint code is, I forgot. We're gonna spray it with the D1 Innocraft. I'm gonna put down some wet bed, no sealer, just some wet bed. And that's what we're gonna do. I had a subscriber reach out to me on Instagram, ask me out of the R500 and this gun, which gun sprays metallics better? He works from home, he does a lot of metallics. He watched the last video on the R500 on that Nissan Frontier, that KAD paint code, that real coarse metallic, nice metallic job. So he wants to know which one I think is better. I haven't sprayed metallics out of this gun, so I'm gonna have to do it today so that I can give an informative answer, a good answer. I don't wanna give something like that I don't know and say, oh, this one's better. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're gonna do. And today we're gonna do it with the 11-gallon Vevor air compressor. So this is ideally the setup, you know, that someone would have from home. You know what I mean? You would have a little compressor, you'd be doing little stuff like this, little spot-in work. Didn't R&I anything. I'm not R&I anything around here no more. I was the only one doing it before, plus doing all the painting, paint it, put it back together. So it's just too much on the boy Trigger. So y'all bear with me. And trolls, you can off, you understand? I'm gonna go mask up, mix up, and we're gonna get to it.
TriggerMan, man, what in the hell is a LVLF spray gun? Oh, come on, TriggerMan, man, I don't even, oh boy, LVLF spray gun? Man, Trigger, you be doing the most, brother, you be doing the most, man. I don't know what the hell that is. It looks like the same gun you've used before. What's the LV? Is low volume. What the hell is the LF? Low fog? Oh, low volume, low fog. LV, LF. Trigger. This guy, man. This guy be coming up with some stuff, boy. LV, LF. Low volume, low fog. Trigger. I'm not even gonna bother on this one, man. I'll catch you on the next one. Spray on, brother, spray on. Okay, so far the Innocraft is doing a great job on the metallics, and I'm not sure why I haven't tried this earlier. I apologize to you guys, but it did a damn good job on metallics. So my answer to the gentleman, yes, this gun, it does a good job just as well as the R500. I would say equally as good on the metallics, because they both did well on metallics. But where this gun shines is there is no fog in the air. Low volume, low fog, no fog. This gun beats out the R500 in that aspect. So to the guy that wanted to know, that's your answer, man. Both guns spray the metallics equally as well. But where this gun outshines the R500, there's less than half of the fog in the air. Way less than half. Like, this is like a normal fog that's in there now that I spray with all of my other guns. You know, nothing extreme. You guys look back at that last video from last week when I sprayed that KAD with the R500, the entire booth was just smoky, foggy. Now both guns, I did have to turn the pressure up higher than I do all of my other guns, all of these LVLP guns seem like they require more air pressure, but at the same time, they don't use as many CFMs from the compressor, if that makes sense. So on the gauge, it's gonna read that the pressure is a little higher, but even still with that, they don't run nearly as much CFM as the other guns. So in my opinion, this gun is a win. So if anybody's trying to decide between the two guns, this gun does solids, this gun does metallics, sprays clear effortlessly. You see me spraying that, no problem, nothing, just flying right through it just like I would with one of my other guns. And it came out pretty good. Came out pretty good. Again, it's ran off of the 11-gallon compressor. I think that might be like, I don't even sure how many horsepower. It might be like a 1 horsepower. It ain't much. It's a small little tiny compressor, and it did this job fine. Had more than enough air. So in my opinion, the InnoCraft takes it.
All right. We got it done. We got it done. What we looking like? What we looking like? That's what we're looking like. Looking pretty good, if I must say so myself. Everything good. I don't want to hear no mess. See, it's taped up. Got a little blue tape. Fine line. I don't want to hear it. Don't be crying. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's what it is. That's what it is. What it is. The LV-LF spray gun. Yeah. So you too can get results like this from home with a little compressor, a little compressor, and the LV-LP InnoCraft can get you that. Okay. Other than that, nothing fancy. You know what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3. Unmask, unmask, pull the paper off, and go out the door. Done. Anyway, hope that helped the dude out, man. I know you're watching, so hope that helped you. Catch you guys in the next one. Boop.
Okay, so this is about 45 minutes later, out in the sun. As you see, no problem. You know, they're gonna deliver it today. And this is why I'm not doing the door handles and stuff myself no more, because then I would have to be sitting here with fresh paint trying to put everything back together. You know, the owner likes to get them right out the door, right out the door. This is in the shop. It's still a little wet, so they have to pinstripe it, but it's still sitting there. I just want to get all the tape off, all the plastic off, so you can see. Man, did a good job, man. Laid down the metallics, laid down the clear, good atomization, low CFM. Excellent gun in my opinion. So that's a wrap on this one. Hopefully, you know, it helps somebody out there to make a decision between those two guns. Yeah, it's definitely smoking that other gun. Smoking, smoke, fog, no pun intended. You did. But yeah, man, so this your boy Trigger signing off. I ask that you would please like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're enjoying the content, please subscribe to the channel. It will not cost you a thing. I ask that you would please share this video with a friend. And after doing so, if you would please tell his girlfriend. Peace.